You have too many clients and it's costing you everything. This is you. You have all these clients asking for things like where are the revisions? Hey, I just need a second. Hey, we need feedback on this. Hey, can you hop on a quick call? All of these people are asking for your time. And I'm gonna break down why you actually need less clients and you have too many of them. Let's say you have 12 clients at an average of $3,000 a month. That puts you at $36,000 a month. That sounds good in theory. But what that really is 12 revision cycles, 12 Slack channels, 12 invoices to chase, 12 sets of notes, and this compounds very quickly. Because you optimized for volume, not value. Every client that you add at $3,000 a month costs you more time than it generates you in profit. Because the answer is not more clients, it's less clients paying you more. And here's exactly what each cheap client actually costs you. The $3,000 invoice is what they pay, here's what they actually cost every single month. If this is the time and cost per client, and this is the hours that it takes, you might spend 3 hours on just onboarding and briefing, 5 hours on email, Slack, calls, 4 hours on revision rounds, 3 hours on context switching back and forth between projects, and 1.5 hours on invoicing and chasing invoices and getting them to pay. This means your overhead per client before any actual work is done, no shooting or editing, is about 16.5 hours. Now, if you do 12 clients times 16.5 hours of overhead, that's 198 hours of just managing them. This is before ever even touching a camera. And on top of this, they're low ticket clients, which means they also demand more from you. This means more revisions, more handholding, and more, hey, can we just hop on a quick call? They're always eating up your time. And because they pay a lower price, they are higher maintenance, always. Now here's exactly how to reverse this. Let's say you have 4 clients and instead of paying $3K a month, they pay $10K a month each. With the 12 clients, you have 12 clients paying you $3K a month. That's a lot of clients. With the 4 clients, you only have 4 clients paying you $10K a month. In this scenario, you're making a total of $40K per month with less clients. With the 12 clients, you're making $36K a month at $3K a month, meaning you make more money with less clients simply because you took on better clients. And each one of these clients is way better quality than each one of these little $3K a month clients. And here's what else changes. Instead of 12 Slack channels, you have 4 Slack channels. Instead of clients who nickel and dime you, you have clients who respect your scope of work. Instead of 12 revision cycles, you have 4 revision cycles. Instead of work that you dread, you have work that you're actually proud of. And just think to yourself, how much easier would it be to have 4 clients instead of 12 clients? It's a lot easier to manage 4 clients because you need less people to do it and your profit margin is actually higher because you only have 4 clients. You don't need as many team members to service these clients who are paying you more. And this is all to say you don't need more clients, you just need better clients and you need fewer clients paying you more. And if you want our help doing this, we've helped over 828 agency owners do exactly this. You can click the link below, apply to work with us. We'll see if it's a fit.